عنده إلا بإذنه يعلم ما بين أيديهم وما خلفهم ولا يحيطون بشيء من علمه إلا بما شاء وسع كرسيه السماوات والأرض ولا يؤوده حفظهما وهو العلي العظيم.
God, there is no deity worthy of worship except Him, the ever-living, the self-subsisting. Neither slumber nor sleep overtakes Him. To Him belongs all that is in the heavens and the earth. Who can intercede with Him without His permission? He knows what is before them and what is behind them. They do not encompass anything of His knowledge except what He wills. His footstool extends over the heavens and the earth. He does not tire of their preservation, and He is the Most High, the Supreme.